Wait a minute, Apex. We got a problem. We got some beef. You get ready to pass your evals, and I was on the phone with one of my guys here, one of my homies, his name's Jay, and I was talking to him. He's like, bro, I'm getting ready to pass these exams, these evals. Well, I gotta pay $85 per account, right? He was like, no, not at all. No, it's gonna be $160 per account for the activation fee. What happened to the 85? I didn't know that wasn't like once you buy during that time, you're not grandfathered in. Now they change it immediately and expect you to pass in one day, which is code for we want you to blow your account as soon as possible. So yeah, we're gonna rush this lower price on the activation fee. Now, to me, I don't like that because I feel like you're purposely pushing people to do things that they wouldn't normally do. And if you want these type of responsible traders, then why exactly are you telling people, yeah, you can only do this, you only got limited time with this activation fee? And then it goes to like double, if just in case I get chopped up again like I did this week. But I'm focusing on TPT, and I'm gonna max out TPT as much as possible. For one, they got far less rules, and you can like withdraw on day one. So I was thinking about it. I was like, yeah, I don't know if I like that. You know what I mean? Oh, this is the liquidity latte mug. Yeah, we got this. You can get that from traderclothing.com. This isn't really an ad, but I guess it is. It ain't nothing in here, but it's okay. Okay. Anyways, back to the point. Yes, if you're just starting out with evaluations, stick with TPT first, then go to Apex, right? Because Apex has a lot of rules. And you saw it in my other video, and if you didn't see that video, I'll link it below. There are like 20 something rules that if you don't know about, they can get you. They can deny a payout. And you also got to wait 8 days per payout. TPT, day one. So just something I wanted to share because I didn't like that. I didn't like how they're rushing people through these evaluations because the same way you do your evaluation is the way you're going to do your PA account. Just something to keep in mind. My name is Bruce Rain. And all of this, y'all look at all my notes. Y'all see this? This is crazy. This is Trader's Ambition. Peace. Let's get it.